legends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Earning Masters. Yes, Online Earning Market. Okay. So in this video, I am going to give you extra opportunity that you can earn from your home. Yes, it's a new method that you can earn from online through some simple steps that you want to go. So you are going to visit a website where you have to share a link and have to fill the form, and if someone buys from that website, that you are going to earn a good amount of commission from here. Yes, so we are here at Digi Store 24. So most of them have not heard about this website. It's a best website where you can get a commission money if you are sell some products from here. So let's go and boom. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. Legends, you are going to miss a lot of content if you have not subscribed. I am going to keep on posting a lot and lot of content to how to earn from your home. This is awesome method that I am going to introduce here. So if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, do subscribe my channel. So let's boom. So as you can see, there are a lot of categories over here where you can take some products and can pick some products and promote. So let's find out which is the best niche. So I am going with fitness and health, because there are lots and lots of people over the United States have issues of obesity. So most of the people want to lose their weight. They have tried lots and lots of things, but it's not working out, right? That the simple method that they want to go do, and they want to lose a weight. So let's see which is the best product that we can promote. Okay. So keto 50 converting high. Yeah, I think this is the best product, but commission is low. But we are not going to promote any product that has a low commission. So let's search. Yeah, keto diet. Okay. Let's go to second page. Cinderella. Yep. Okay, it is a product. It's a best product, I think so. It just has a $20 of commissions. A keto fit today, highest selling health digital products in 2021. I think it's good. It's a best product that we can promote. So let's visit its affiliates page. Okay, it's loading. Come on. Yeah. So yeah, best man. That, see, as you can see, it's a best landing page you have ever seen. This, I see. Yeah, it's looking damn cool. Yeah. Okay, super awesome. Okay, you can promote this. I think you can promote this lot. You can promote it easily. 20,000 earned by top affiliate this month. Cool, man. That's cool. Awesome. Yeah. So it has all the information that we needed for this. So let's boom. So let's go back and yeah, copy this link. You have to copy this link. Yes, just click this and click copy. And the website I am going to tell, it's best you can ever see. Deals. Yeah, this one, man. Awesome. Yeah. This is the website where you can promote this link, and if someone buys the product from this link, from this website, you are going to get a massive commission. So let's see that. Yeah, as you can see, the likes are 73, 37, 67, 51, and 28, 71, and lots of. As you can see, this simple product is trending, man. It's damn good, right? You can too promote your product from this website. It's a best website. You can see latest deals.co.uk. It has a 6 million monthly visitors. It has a good amount of traffic. If you keep on posting the lots and lots of product in this particular website, you are going to earn a good amount from your home. So let's start. So let's click share. As you can see, the page appears. You have to click deal. Yeah, so here we have to paste the link. Just paste the link and click next. It's loading. Yep, so here comes the page where you have to fill some of the details. So the details we can get from here. So we just have the best title for this product. So let's copy this keto fit today. Copy, come here and paste here. So discounted price, let's check for the price. I think we need to visit a sales page. As you can see, everything is available in this particular area. That sales page, affiliate page, everything is available. Okay, just roll down, roll down, roll down, roll down, roll down, roll down, roll down. There is no sales page over here. Okay, so you have to fill the details, no problem. You just have, you can give any amount that you needed discounted price. I am going to give you here is like okay, so discounted is $30 or else $40. Original price is $100. Okay, for the description you can visit affiliate page where you can have some ideas about description. Let's see. So it's coming to the sales page. Yeah, bro. Okay. So let's visit again to the sales page. Sorry, affiliate page. Let's see something that we can get here. Okay. I think there is nothing over here. Or else you can just search, man, keto diet. Let's search for keto diet, and yeah, you can visit this website and copy this. Yeah, just copy this from here. Copy this from here and paste it over here. Yep. So that's it, man. That's it. Just have to click clear this one. Yeah. That's it. Just clear this one and your description is ready. Yep, that's it. Yeah, your description is ready and you just need to upload your image over here. You can take the image from in the website, any of the good image, and you can select the category which is health and beauty and share a deal. That's it. Boom. If someone buys the product from latest deals, which is 6 million traffic users, if someone buys a product, you are going to earn a good amount of commission from this. As you can see, there is a lots and lots of product in Digistore 24. You can promote every product from here and earn a good amount of commission. So this is the best and new method that you can earn. You just have to copy the link from here and paste it over share a deal or latestdeals.co.uk. That's it. Boom. So I think I hope that you have got some idea that how to promote a product, how to get the link, and how to promote in latestdeals.co.uk. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm telling again and again that you have to subscribe my channel, because I am going to keep on posting a best content from my side. Don't miss this. Thank you so much.